Israel, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you're new. For today's video we are going to be doing an unboxing of our newest craft machine. X will be joining me in a second. Oh, he didn't like my scissors?
No, I did not.
Okay. Well, he brought the tool to open. Do you want to tell them what it is?
What it is?
Yeah, I just said it was our new crafting machine.
A new crafting machine?
Yes.
So this is my Father's Day gift?
Question mark?
Question mark? We're going with yes.
Yes, sure.
Yes. And I got a handy dandy, cheapo, refurbished.
Refurbished.
Doesn't matter. My goodness.
Maybe we should have gotten the scissors.
I was concerned the scissors wasn't going to be able to cut it.
Refurbished.
Refurbished laser cutter. So I can do laser cutting projects now. Along with my 3D printing.
Woo!
That I don't do.
Shh. No, we're gonna open an Etsy shop or something.
Yeah.
Because we have like a Cricut, a 3D printer.
We got the stuff.
This thing, like we need to get on it.
Yeah.
Like for real.
So this is a refurbished machine, but it should be good as new.
Oh.
No big deal. Just like a Band-Aid.
Anyway, so if you don't know what a laser engraver is, it looks like this. Anyway.
Here's my mat.
There's a mat. So hopefully we will be doing some cool nifty projects. Do you know how big this is going to be? Yes?
Roughly.
Oh, is that supposed to happen?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. To, but
so, should I do like a close-up in the box? In the box, which is just, say hi.
Hi.
Hi. So this is what it
Obviously
looks like
Sculpfun.
in the box. Sculpfun.
Sculpfun.
Oh, why did they pack it like
staticky.
this?
Because it's refurbished.
Because it's refurbished. Well,
So
this
the
isn't good for
Right back in.
How's it look?
There we
It's
go.
kind of wonky in there.
Looks better now.
Okay, yeah, right.
Now that
Alright.
the plastic's out of the way.
So, it comes with some nifty. Is it in frame?
Yeah, you can see everything.
Okay,
in the
cool.
box.
It comes with cool safety glasses.
Cool safety glasses.
That might be broken.
Might be broken.
Hopefully not. No, I don't think so. I think it just popped out.
Alright. It's alright. Oh, fancy laser cutter with
You're gonna have to clean these glasses. They're filthy.
Filthy. Fancy laser cutter with a round guard on it. Handy. Round guard, nice for everything there. It's got a spare round guard because this has a round guard on it. And this is...
I was gonna be like, good news, it's not broken.
Good news, it's not broken.
Bad news, I might break it.
Please don't break it.
It'll be fine. Look, see, it works.
This
I'm not
is
gonna do
the...
What is that?
This is it. This
is the thing?
The laser.
The laser.
The laser and a spare part.
Sweet.
This shroud here. Is that shorter or is it about the same size? Just a spare? Yeah, it's just a spare. I think because this one was the original one, I could tell because it's got all the touchy marks.
The touchy marks?
The touchy marks.
The touchy marks.
We got some pieces here that we got to assemble this whole thing.
Wood? Oh, is it like the Cricut and came with like, for your first project?
For your first project, here. Have some wood to cut.
Have some wood.
And I think this, yeah, for the sake of cutting through, it should handle 10 millimeters pretty easily. I don't know about easily, but it should handle 10 millimeters, so.
Instructions. It has all of the main units and the parts and the previews and the what's nots.
And the what's nots.
And the what's nots. Okay, assemble the back, left, and right beams.
This is your back.
Yep.
This is your front.
Yep.
This is your right.
And then
this
here's
is your
your
left. I have two rights. No, I'm kidding. Oh, that light lit up. Okay. I thought you were talking about there's laser light going down.
No.
Ah!
No. Which makes it even more ridiculous because I have a question. If this is this big, why is the plate this big?
Typically, I mean, you do have this much range, but you won't really do anything bigger than this. You can.
As our thing. Okay, remember in Final Fantasy where the fairy went rogue?
You know, I'm not here to tell you how to do your job.
Yes.
That bar is backwards.
What bar's backwards? That mother flip-flop and flip-flop. Look it. That's where it lives now. You're fine.
It's its charm.
It gives it personality. Also, I gave it to you. So, ha!
I know. It's my own fault.
No, it's both our faults. No one quality checked before we... It wasn't even measure, cut, swear. It was measure, good enough. Crap.
Did we even measure? We just said...
No.
Left!
Black! You know what we did? We were so focused on these being up. And we didn't look at where it was.
Well, we learned our lesson.
Well, it'll be fine. It's gonna bug you, isn't it? I'm gonna find you, like...
I will fix it one day.
4 o'clock in the morning and be like...
It's alright. I mean, it's just taking out this belt.
It's not too much work. Are we doing it now? No.
No. Just taking out this belt. 3 screws on each side and...
I'll be fine. Later. You'll be fine. The most pain in the butt part is this part.
Yeah, that's fine.
Which it'll take another... Anyway.
At least I know, like, hey, I know it's a little bit of a pain in the butt, so I'll make sure I'll come with, like, tweezers or something flat that I can get in.
Which we also have in one of those.
But you don't know which. That's kind of the problem. Anyway, carry on. Do your outro. Your stuff.
Right.
There we go.
Am I okay?
Yes.
Alright, so that is our unboxing / setup of our new Sculpfun. I had to read it. I had to read it, and you notice I was very... Anyway, our Sculpfun engraving... Laser cutting machine. I don't know what things are. Laser cutting machine. If you guys enjoyed this video, if you did, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell down below, and we will see you guys next time. Bye! I was like, let's go laser something!
Yeah, I think I grabbed it because I was trying to get it away from the kid for a second. Nope.
It's okay. Alright, we have 28 minutes to film this.
28 minutes. Alright.